Hello and welcome to this very short yoga flow that you can do anytime, anywhere. We're going to start our session in a kneeling position. If this is uncomfortable, simply come through to your easy seat. You might even sit on a cushion or a block if you prefer. Otherwise, coming through to kneeling, just ensuring that the sit bones are comfortable. And we'll begin to take the hands to the heart, pressing the finger pads in towards each other. Casually dropping the head to the hands. And we'll gently lift the head. Begin to take the arms up overhead. We'll begin to take a gentle twist. Right hand coming onto that left leg as I face you. I'm aspiring to mirror you. Left hand might come to the hip, maybe to the foot or the earth. We'll begin to take that left hand up towards the sky and then tilting. Hand might travel along the leg, maybe to the rib cage. Releasing both arms up overhead. If we are kneeling, we're going to begin to come standing on the knees. So we'll take a gentle cactus opening. Taking the fingertips back up, we'll begin to let the sit bones come back down towards the heels, taking a twist. Begin to take that right hand up towards the sky and then over towards the left. Again, releasing the hands up overhead, coming onto this, ending on the knees, cactusing the arms. Hands will begin to rise, beginning to sit back down. Hands to the heart. From here, we're going to begin to come into a tabletop position and then tucking the toes, coming into a toe balance. So beginning to take the balls of the feet to the earth. Hands can stay in contact with the earth if you like. Maybe they come onto the thighs. Just taking a moment here, stretching the soles of the feet. We'll begin to release the hands if we take them to the thighs, knees coming to the earth, untucking the toes. We'll begin to take the arms up overhead. And then we'll take the hands down into the heart. Interlacing the hands, we'll take the palms forward. And we can stay here, maybe taking the palms over towards the right. We'll come back through center and then over towards the left. Center. Knuckles beginning to come in towards the heart. We'll begin to take the arms up overhead. Fingertips coming forward. We're going to give ourselves a hug. Eagle arms, left arm on top. We can stay here, maybe cupping the elbows, maybe beginning to take a second bind. Wherever we happen to be, we're going to come through to standing on the knees, beginning to take the sit bones away from the heels. Maybe we tuck the toes. From here, we're going to take the elbows over towards the left. Coming back through center and then over to the right. And center, untucking the toes, coming back through to kneeling. We'll begin to release cactus. Fingers going up towards the sky. Arms forward. We'll take this on the opposite side. Right arm on top. Your choice of hug or your variation of eagle. Beginning to rise onto the knees, tucking the toes. We'll take the elbows over towards the right. Coming back through center and then over towards the left. And center, untucking the toes, coming back through to our kneeling, releasing, taking a cactus. Hands rising, we're coming back into that toe balance, releasing the hands down, tucking the toes. Staying here, maybe we take the knees and the shins away. As we begin to arrive, hands can come onto the thighs, heart, maybe we interlace, palms coming forward. We can stay here, maybe we begin to travel with the palms, maybe more kind of a unicorn shape, or maybe the palms go all the way. I'm gonna come back through to the heart. If we've taken the palms up overhead, we'll begin to come back towards the screen, and then we'll take the knuckles in, releasing, taking the hands down towards the earth, releasing the knees, untucking the toes. Inhale the arms up, and cactus. Hands rising, taking the hands down into the heart. We'll gently begin to take the head to the hands in gratitude for investing in your well-being and your practice. And thank you for taking this very short yoga flow. And if you'd like to check out any of my other videos, check out the link in the description, and I'll see you again soon.